Dear students, today we are going to study nucleus, structure and function. What is a nucleus? The nucleus is the formation center of the cell and is surrounded by a nuclear membrane in all eukaryotes. A cell normally contains only one nucleus. Basics of nucleus. Nucleus was discovered by an English biologist Robert Brown in 1831. It is the important part of the cell, exerting a controlling influence on all cell activities. It is usually spherical or oval structure, mostly located in the center of the cell. Some few tube of vascular plants and the red blood cells of mammals lack nuclei at maturity. Then, structure of the nucleus. The nucleus is made up of several components: nuclear envelope, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromosomes, nucleoplasm. This is two membrane, inner outer membrane, nucleoplasm. This is nucleoplasm meaning வந்து nucleo matrix துகள்கள் வந்து நிறைய காணப்படுது. This is nucleolus. It is the largest structure present in the nucleus. This is many chromatin fibers. This is nuclear envelope. This is outer membrane, continues many places with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is pores in the nucleic envelope. Nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that contains the cell hereditary information and controls the cell growth and reproduction. It is commonly the most prominent organ in the cell. The nucleus is surrounded by a structure called the nucleus. This is nucleus structure. Nucleus, chromatin fibers, nuclear envelope, nuclear pores. This membrane separates the contents of the nucleus from the cytoplasm. The cell chromosomes are also housed within the nucleus. Chromosomes contain DNA which provide the genetic information necessary for the production of other cell components and for the reproduction of life. This is nuclear enzymes. Important nuclear enzymes: DNA, RNA, polymerase, endonuclease, exonuclease, ligase இதில் வந்து காணப்படுகிறது. These enzymes பார்த்தா nucleic acids வந்து சரி செய்ய பயன்படுகிறது. ஒன்று another information, நியூக்ளியஸ் வந்து எரித்து வந்து சாம்பலான பிறகு அந்த ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி பார்த்ததுல many minerals there, many phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium இருப்பது கண்டறியப்பட்டுள்ளது. And nuclear envelope. The double-layered membrane encloses nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. The nuclear envelope has pores that allows the passage of materials into and out of the nucleus, also called nuclear membrane. The outer membrane is continuous in many places with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear envelope is dotted with ribosomes. These ribosomes, these chromatins, pores. Nucleolus. The nucleolus takes up around 25% of the volume of the nucleus. The structure is made up of proteins and ribonucleic acid. Its main function is to rewrite ribosomal RNA and combine it with proteins. This results in the formation of incomplete ribosomes. Nucleolus is the largest structure present in the nucleolus. This is chromatin fiber, RNA, ribosomes participate protein synthesis. Nucleoplasm. Just like the cytoplasm found inside a cell, the nucleus contains nucleoplasm, also known as karyoplasm. The nucleoplasm is a type of protoplasm that is made up of mostly of water, a mixture of various molecules and dissolved ions. It's completely enclosed with the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. Then chromosomes. In the nucleus of each cell, the DNA molecule is packaged into thread-like structure called chromosomes. Each chromosome is made up of DNA tightly coiled many times around protein called histones that support its structure. This is chromosomes. You know how many human chromosomes? 46. The function of chromosomes are the thread-like structure found in the nuclei of both animal and plant cells. They are made of protein and one molecule of deoxyribonucleic acid as DNA. This is chromosomes and into the DNA. DNA வந்து பிரிக்கப்படுகிறது. This is continue the and into the DNA. And many times to observe the DNA double helix structure, to change the many times change the replication. DNA வந்து இந்த இரட்டை சுருள் வளையம் வந்து எத்தனை முறை வேண்டுமானாலும் வந்து அந்த DNA replication DNA இரட்டித்தல் அடையலாம். Function of nucleus. It controls all the metabolic activities. It controls all cellular functions. It brings about the growth of cell by directing synthesis of structural proteins. It produces the ribosome by nucleus. It contains chromosomes which are responsible inheritance of character from parents to next generation. Okay students, thank you.